Begrüßen Sie nun mit uns Sigidan and Friends. Es handelt sich dabei um eine Kooperation einer senegalesischen Gruppe um den Künstler Sigidan sowie einer kongolesischen Gruppe namens Africa No. Ganz nach dem Motto Africa is our identity, music is our language, werden sie uns ein Lied vortragen.
Imagine no possession. I wonder if we can. No need for greed or hunger. Brotherhood of man. Okay. Imagine all the people living for today. Oh, you may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. Look around. I hope someday you may join us. Okay, and the world will be as one. Imagine Tibet will be free. No tears, no fears. Nothing that will burn or die for. And peace everywhere. Oh, oh. Imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you may join us, and the world will be as one. I'm saying, imagine you be home. People weeping like a child, tears of joy in their eyes, and good bags in their hands. Oh, oh, imagine all the people sharing all the world. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you may join us. You'll be, and the world will be as one. Once more, you may say I'm a dreamer. Ooh, but I'm not the only one. Look deep in your heart. I hope someday you may join us, and the world will be as one. Greetings. Your Holiness, may I please present to you this kutat?
Je...
Vielen Dank, Sigidan and Friends. Sie werden auch im zweiten Teil unseres Programms noch einmal in den Genuss der ganzen Gruppe kommen. Da dann aber seine Heiligkeit nicht mehr zugegen sein wird, baten Sie darum, vorher schon ein Kata überreichen zu dürfen.